Possess it. Mastering English Possessive Pronouns. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar. Specifically, we'll be exploring possessive pronouns, a vital component of everyday conversation and writing. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grip on this topic and be able to confidently use these pronouns in your daily English conversations. Possessive pronouns are those nifty words in English that show ownership or possession. They replace a noun in a sentence and tell us who or what something belongs to. Let's explore the complete list of possessive pronouns in English. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Here's an example. This is my book. If we want to replace my book with a possessive pronoun, we would say, this is mine. There's an easy way to categorize possessive pronouns, and that's by separating them into singular and plural. Singular possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its. For example, the choice is yours. Plural possessive pronouns are ours, yours, theirs. For example, the victory is ours. Remember, yours can be used in both singular and plural contexts, depending on the noun it is replacing. Possessive pronouns can be a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, giving your sentences more clarity and variety. They allow you to avoid repetition and make your sentences sound more natural. For example, instead of saying, that is Sarah's cat and this is my cat, you can simply say, that cat is hers and this one is mine. And that's it, folks. We've now covered the ins and outs of possessive pronouns in English. I hope you found this video enlightening and are ready to start using possessive pronouns with confidence. Remember, practice is key, so don't be shy to use these pronouns whenever you can in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a master. Until next time, keep exploring and learning, because language is a treasure chest of knowledge. Happy learning!